wonders overpass, smoky bars and cheap guitars, but nothing built to last. Nothing ever stays, nothing comes to mind, nothing can erase the days we left behind. See the boys at Dungeon Lane along the Mersey shore. Some of them will feel the pain, and some will aim for more. Nothing stays the same, no one needs to cry, nothing can reclaim the days we left behind. We met at Portland Road and wrote a secret code to never be spoken. I stand by what I said, the promise that I made will never be broken. Nothing ever stays, nothing comes to mind, no one can erase the days we left behind. In the skies, the skylarks rise above the towns of old. Since that day I knew they'd stay with me forevermore. 'Cause nothing stays the same, and no one needs to cry, and no one is to blame. The days they left behind, the days we left behind. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again with a great song from Paul McCartney's latest album, of course, Boys of Dungeon Lane. And this is, I think, a single was taken from the album called Days We Left Behind. Okay, so there you heard my attempt playthrough for the song. Still a bit rough around the edges, but you get the gist of it. Now then, not overly difficult. The intro is quite tricky. The rest of the song isn't too bad. Okay, the little instrumental bits, not, you know, a bit fiddly, but not too difficult. So you shouldn't have too much problem with the most basic song. Worst part is the intro, I think. Just a word of warning. Paul McCartney does this version with the guitar tuned down half a step to, instead of being tuned like in E, it's in E flat. Okay, so I've done that so that you can play along with the record. Okay, so basically we're all tuned by half a step. So the E note goes down to E flat, the A string goes to A flat, D's down to D flat, G down to F sharp, B's down to B flat, and again top E down to E flat. So if you've got an electronic tuner, you can find that fairly straightforward. Okay, but just to warn you, so we're in sort of standard tuner but down half a step. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Thanks very much for watching, and hope you join me in a couple of days when I try and break it down for you. Okay, so if you like that, please press the like button, and if you want to know when I'm going to put the video up, then please subscribe. Thanks you, and you get notification. See you soon.